Hello guys, welcome back to my puzzle channel, Puzzle Magic. I am Arki. Today we will go through another three puzzles. Let's start. Puzzle number 48. One day I came out of my house and I saw three ants sitting at the three corners of a path in form of an equilateral triangle. Each ant starts randomly, picks a direction, and starts to move along the edge of the triangle. Can you determine the probability that none of the ants collide? Let's go to the answer. The ants can only avoid a collision if they all decide to move in the same direction, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. If the ant do not pick the same direction, there will be definitely a collision. Each ant has the option to either move clockwise or anti-clockwise. There is 1 in 2 chances that an ant decides to pick a particular direction. Using simple probability calculations, we can determine the probability of no collision. Probability of no collision is equal to probability of all ants go in clockwise direction plus probability all ants go in anti-clockwise direction. So probability of all ants, there are three ants. There is a chance like 1 in 2. So 1 by 2, that is 0.5. 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. For three ants, we calculate here. Plus they go in anti-clockwise direction. That is also the chances are 1 out of 2. So 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So if we multiply them, it will be 0.125 plus 0.125, and the total is 0.25. So 0.25 is the probability that they will not collide. As you know, probability will be always less than 1. So 0.25 is the answer. Let's go to the next question. Puzzle number 50. Agatha was going to buy 8 books, but it turned out she was 7 rupees short. What she did was buy just 7 books and was left with 5 rupee to spare. How much did a single book cost if all the titles she was interested in cost the same? And how much money was she carrying? Let's go to the answer. We should find the equations between the question. Let us take the value of the first price of the book is X. Let the cost of one book is X. Then total cost of 7 books is 7X. Money carried by Agatha was 7X plus 5. She bought 7 books and was left with 5 rupees to spare. And again, let's calculate if the cost of the books are same, then 8 books will be costing you 8x rupees, and um, it looks like if she buys 8 books, then it she is short of 7 rupees. So money carried by Agatha was 8x minus 7. Now 7x plus 5 is equal to 8x minus 7. This equation gives us answer x is equal to 12. Cost of each book is 12. Now money carried by Agatha as per the question will be 7x plus 5, or we can do 8x minus 7. So 7 into 12 plus 5, that is 89 rupees. This is the answer. 89 rupees was carried by Agatha. You can calculate 8x minus 7. 8 into 12 minus 7 is also 89 rupees. Let's go to the next puzzle. Very interesting puzzle. Puzzle number 51. As they say, beggars can't be choosers. In fact, beggar take what they can get. A beggar on the street can make one cigarette out of every 6 cigarette butts he finds. After one whole day of searching and checking public ashtrays, the beggar finds a total of 72 cigarette butts. How many cigarettes can he make? He also smokes from the butts he finds. The question changes little over here. Also smokes. So here there is a little tricky in the question. If just the question is without also smokes, it will be 12 easy. So now let's see the tricky answer for this. If the beggar can make a whole cigarette from 6 butts, then he can make 12 cigarettes from 7 he finds. That is the simple answer. Next, once he smokes those, then he will have another 12 butts, which will give him enough to make another 2 cigarettes. So there is a twist in the question and there is a twist in answer. Total number of cigarettes will be 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14. Looks like little tricky, but yes, with common sense, we can solve this. Thank you for watching my channel. It really helps your brain to uh, get the power to analyze and think. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for coming back again.